Hello everyone, welcome back to Jamdul Tibet channel. Here I'm in Yanglashi again. This time I visited Pena Rinpoche Buddhist Society. It was initiated by King Rinpoche Namdo Tsering, who lived near the cave of Yanglashi in Nepal. In order to liberate the sentient beings from the suffering in general and the growth of Buddha Dharma in particular, in the time of degeneration, King Rinpoche has undertaken many enlightened activities, including the building of Shito Lakang, Dup Khang, and the Guru Lakang for the welfare of the world in general and Nepal in particular. One of his enlightened activities, which is very impressive, is support for school nearby his monastery under the Manjushri Educational Project. It is the project for the children, which are the pillar of the country. Today, I'm very honored and privileged to interview with one of his staff about his enlightened activities of school, hostel, tuition, and scholarship to the students here. Here we have Tamula. Tamula is the one of the staff who worked for the long time in office and has a lot of experience and knowledge about it.
Tashitele Tamula, I'm overjoyed to have you today.
Tashidile Jamila, first of all, thank you so much for having me here. I'm so honored and glad to be here with you in your channel Jamdul Tibet, so thank you so much.
Thank you, Tamula. First of all, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sangmo Sherpa. I am from Hilambu, Siddhupalchok, Nepal, and I am a health assistant by profession. I joined this monastery in 2014, so it's been almost 8 and 9 years now. And at the beginning, I joined this monastery as a health profession, but then later I got to involve in administration and management department. So now I'm looking after the administration and management department of this project and this monastery.
Thank you, Tamula, for your introduction. Now, my first question is, when did Ken Rinpoche started the Manjushri Educational Project? And can you please tell us about MEP in briefly?
So Khenchen Namgyal Rinpoche started this project in 2014 with the aim of giving quality education, a better life, better future to the students who are destitute, who are orphan, who are semi-orphan. So when he started this project in the beginning, like we do not have that much students. We only had a student of this area because he saw like every day here the parents are uneducated, they are working so hard from morning to evening and there's no future for those children. So that's why with that, seeing that conditions, in that situation, he thought and he started this project. And after like earthquake, we involved more students. Before we had only a few students of this area only, and later after earthquake, like we enrolled many students from like more affected area like Sindhupalchok, Dolpa, Humla, Jumla, from everywhere. And like every year many students are graduating. Like right now we have like students from class 6 to 10 at the moment, but before we had students from class 1 to 10. So every year like students are graduating and then now students are getting lesser and lesser. Yeah, so and we do scholar till class 10 with full scholarship, and after 11 and 12 we do scholar only 75%, rest 25% has to scholar by their parents, has to bear by their parents. So right now we have only 28 students left.
I have heard that Ken Rinpoche is providing a hostel to students, is it?
Yes, sir. We do not have a school.
Yeah.
We have only hostel facilities. So we are sending the students in private school, so which is the best school here at this place. So we have hostel facilities, but then we are giving them extra tuition classes. They go to school at 9:30, they come back by 4, and then after that they have morning tuition classes before they leave for school, and then evening tuition classes when they come back from school. So we have extra tuition classes facilities also. So here, like, we do give them fooding, lodging, their stationaries, everything. And like for class 11 and 12, we do not have hostel facilities. We only do scholar for their like school their school fees, their college fees, their college fees. In class 11 and 12, we do not have hostel facilities. We have hostel facilities till class 1 to 10 only. And for class 11 and 12, we do scholar only for their college fee.
That's really nice. Thank you so much, Samula. Next, what is the most difficult thing to manage in this project? And can you please tell us about how do you manage to take care of all students?
So, we work as a team here. There's one Lopima, there's one teacher, me, our cook. We all work as a team, so we all have our different works, right? And then, ma'am, she just look after the classes. Lopima is also there who look after the classes, and then the sanitation part, the fooding part, everything. And everything is a secondary thing. Like, it's not a big deal. We can manage it.
Challenging.
Yeah, it's not so challenging, but then somehow it will go smoothly when you are in a team. So we all do. So it's not. I don't think it's a big challenge or big difficult to take care of the students, be it their food or their classes. The main, as a person, and what I feel is the most difficult part is, when we all are doing so hard for them, and the most difficult part is when they do not work hard. They do not give their full effort for their studies when there's no good result. So I think that's the very difficult part, because we are all are doing for their better future, right? We are all doing things, whatever we are doing is all for them. So when they do good, like, we get so happy, we are so overjoyed, like we are very happy at that time, right? But then they do not give effort, they do not give their 100% to the study, what we are here for. So that time, that's the most difficult thing I face.
Yes, Samula, that's really true. How they are doing right now? What's the result?
The students are doing very well. So most of them are like very good at okay. Everyone is doing best at their point right now, and soon their first term exam is also coming, maybe end of this July, and results are very good. Like, so far our results are very good. The students who are graduated from here, like, all secured AA plus from this project. So we are very happy. Cambridge is also happy. Like, it is all worth it, when they secure such kind of result, it makes us satisfied. Oh, now what we are doing is worth it, right? Because whatever we are doing right now is all for them, is all for their future. So when they secure such kind of result, that time, like, we feel so proud, and oh yes, now we have done it. It feels like that. Yeah.
My best wishes are always with them.
Thank you so much, Jamlan. Thank you so much.
Okay, I think now, how many students are there and how many classes are running?
So this year we have 20 students in our project. These 2 years have been very tough for all of us, so we couldn't enroll students in these 2 years. So, like, as I told you before, like, every year students are graduating, so our students are getting lesser and lesser. Yeah. So this year we have only 20 students, and we have 5 classes only, from class 6 to class 10. Yeah, currently we are having students from class 6 to class 10. So hopefully, Kenji was saying that next year we are going to enroll more students who are, fit in our criteria, like who are not capable. So that kind of students we are going to enroll in our project next year probably. Yeah.
And that's all, Samala. Thank you for your time and input. I really appreciate your work and service. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, Amela. Thank you so much. Like finally we could do this. Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah, and then I really appreciate your work because in such age, in this age, like you're doing so much thing, publishing book and interviewing big, so high lamas, rinpoches, and it's so nice and so glad to see that also. So you're inspiration to young generation now, and I really appreciate your work and keep going like this. And thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, Samala.
Hello, my name is Pasan Singh, and I'm from Sitapalchuk district. I think that I'm one of the luckiest person in this world to get the opportunity to get a higher education in this MBB, which was launched by our Ken University, and I'm feeling very glad to get that kind of opportunity. And the main motto of this hostel is to make our life more better than before, to make our life bright. I'm very glad to have this kind of opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Kinja Tamang and I'm from class 10, and I feel very happy to be here because I get great opportunity to study here in peaceful garden of Rinpoche, and he's very he helped us in every field and provide us such educations, and I feel myself very lucky, and may others students should also get this type of educations, and I joined here from class 6. Thank you.
Thank you, Ken.
This much for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.
Thank you.
옛날 나무로 왔던 옛날 나무가 강체 도와 규탄